Today, let's explore how to build a DIY root cellar for long-term food storage. A root cellar is a fantastic way to keep your food fresh without relying on electricity. First, select a site with well-draining soil, preferably on a north-facing slope to maintain a cool temperature. The ideal temperature for a root cellar is between 32 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit with high humidity, around 85 to 95%. Next, let's talk about size. The size of your cellar depends on your storage needs. A small family might need a 5 by 8 foot space, while a larger family, or those wanting to store more food, might require something bigger. Digging is the most labor-intensive part. You need to dig a hole deep enough to ensure a consistent temperature, at least 10 feet deep. Ensure the walls are sturdy. You might want to use wood, concrete blocks, or stone for reinforcement. Ventilation is crucial. A good root cellar needs 2 vents, one at the top for warm air to escape and another at the bottom for cool air to enter. This airflow prevents mold growth and keeps your produce fresh. Drainage is another key factor. Water accumulation can ruin your stored food, so incorporate a gravel floor or a drainage pipe leading away from the cellar. For insulation, a thick layer of straw or soil on the roof helps maintain a stable temperature inside. Doors should be sturdy and well insulated, too, to keep the cold in and pests out. Lastly, shelving. Arrange shelves around the walls of your cellar to maximize space. Use wood or metal, ensuring they're strong enough to hold heavy produce. In summary, a well-built root cellar includes the right location, proper size, effective drainage, good ventilation, and solid insulation. This setup ensures your food stays fresh for months, providing a reliable food storage solution without the need for electricity. Thanks for watching. For more detailed instructions and ideas, check out the full article on US Preppers.